In winter, whether the thicker you wear, the warmer you feel. Hi, let's take a look at our newly developed aerogel jacket. The ultra-thin 1mm aerogel can resist the ultra-low temperature of -78.5 degrees centigrade of dry ice. After making it into a jacket, we tested it again with a refrigerant at -51 degrees centigrade, and the temperature difference between the inside and outside of the clothes reached an astonishing 47.8 degrees centigrade. The lightweight aerogel jacket can also greatly improve the outdoor work efficiency and increase the flexibility of outdoor activities. We believe this is the future of clothing, where you no longer have to worry about wearing bulky clothes to keep warm in winter. We also designed multiple pockets, allowing you to store your wallet, phone, bank card, and iPad separately, freeing up your hands. Believe us, this jacket must be your perfect outdoor partner.